The National Library of Israel (NLI) in Jerusalem announced on Tuesday they have obtained 90 singular pages from the earliest period of Hebrew printing. The pages come from the only known copy of a late 15th century edition of Rabbi Yaakov ben Esher's Arba'ah Turim, one of history's most important works of Jewish law. No complete copies of it have survived, and the pages acquired by NLI are not found in any other collection in the world, public or private. Prior to the acquisition, the NLI already held 59 pages from the book. Works published prior to 1500 are known as Incunabula. During this period, less than 200 total Hebrew titles were printed, of which around 150 have survived until today. The NLI has copies of more than 80 of them. Dr. Yoel Finkelman, curator of the Haim and Hanna Salomon Judaica collection at NLI, said, "Incunabula like these provide rich and unique resources for the research of Jewish textual culture, and they have additional aesthetic and bibliographic value. These pages in particular provide exceedingly rare tangible evidence of one of the very first religious Jewish texts to be printed. Even though the complete edition has not survived, it is exciting that these pages, part of an exceedingly important Jewish text, have come down to us and will now be preserved and made accessible to scholars and the general public by the National Library of Israel in Jerusalem." Arba'ah Turim, meaning 4 columns in Hebrew, was written by Rabbi Yaakov ben Esher, approximate 1269 to 1343 CE, a leading medieval rabbinical authority also known as Rabbeinu Asher and Baal HaTurim, master of the columns. The name of the work refers to the 4 sections into which it is divided, each of them covering different areas of Jewish law: Ora Chaim, Yurdoah, Even Ha'ezer, and Koshen Mishpat. The pages just acquired by the NLI come from the first 2 of these sections. The 4-part division of the Arba'ah Turim, and the work more generally, have served as a foundation for countless commentaries and later attempts to codify Jewish law, including Rabbi Joseph Caro's 16th century Shulchan Aruch, which is widely considered to be the most important code of Jewish law until today.